Okay, so now we are going to talk about our fourth parts of speech here, and that is verb. So verb is a word which or that shows an action of someone or something. For example, I close the door. I close the door. I open the door. I open the door. I walk. I write. I weep. I talk. I make video. So in these all sentences, the words that I have used is write, open, close, make. So such a kind of actions are known as verb. So here I have written a definition of verb. That verb is a word which shows an action, an Urdu amal of someone or something. Then we have three forms of verb. So the first form of verb is, for example, go. Second would be went. Third would be gone. Fourth we call it present participle form of verb. Only with first form of verb ing would be put it. For example, going, write, wrote, written, writing, speak, spoke, spoken, speaking. So it is first form of verb, second, third, and fourth. Then, like I would also write another one: dance, danced, danced, and dancing. So here I put and second form of word we put ed or d. So the third would be same like here. Second is dance, so the third one is also dance, and they both have the same spelling. So keep in mind regular verbs. We have two kind of verbs. Regular verbs. Regular verbs are those words with which we, in second form, with which we put d in ed. So they are known as regular verbs. For example, walked. It is second, so the third would be same. Or talked. But if they have different and they do not end with d or ed, so they are known as regular, irregular. For example, speak, spoke, spoken, eat, ate, eaten, write, wrote, written. Got it? So they are known as irregular verbs. So I hope you would have got idea about the verb. I'll give you also an example. I speak English. Look at, this is word, this is pronoun, and after pronoun we put verb. And keep in mind that verbs are considered heads of sentences and tenses. So I hope you would have got an idea about verb. If you have any kind of question, you can ask me and comment. And furthermore, I will talk about adverbs. So thank you for watching this video, and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you.